Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Mikhail again and I'm back with another tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your deleted messages in Messenger. If you're wondering how, make sure to watch the video till the end and find out how we can do that. Now without any further ado, let's start. Now in order to recover your deleted messages on Messenger, open your Facebook app and make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, head towards the three-line icon that you will see at the top right corner of your screen. Again, go to the settings icon from the top right corner of your screen, and now you will be loaded to the settings and privacy interface. And now again scroll down to your information section where you have multiple options, and now you have to tap on download your information. Once you tap on download your information, you will be loaded with this message, and then again tap on request a download. Once you tap on request a download, you have to select the type of information that you want to download. For that, tap on select type of information. Once you tap on there, scroll down. Since we want to recover the messages, so tap on messages. After that, tap on next, and in here you will see your email and then the format that you will receive the file, and then media quality, make sure it is in medium. After that, you can also enter your date range from where you want to recover your messages. Now tap according to you from where you want to recover your message. After that, tap on save. Simply tap on submit request, and then your request will be submitted to the Facebook data center and you will receive a file with your messages on your email. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you next time.